Dah. Hello guys, welcome back with me Umi Kholifah in my YouTube channel. Today I'm not alone, but I'm with my friends.
Hey guys.
We will doing field work lecture in Kediri and Bali. In the first destination, we will visit HEC 1 or Happy English Course 1 in Pare, Kediri, East Java. In the second destination, we will visit Green School. It's an international school in Bali. And the third destination, we will visit IALF or Indonesian Australian Language Foundation. And we also visit another destination like beaches, barong dance or tari barong, and Tanah Lot Bali. So stay tuned and watch till end. Bye. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello. Okay. So right now we are on our way to go to our first destination, which is we will visit to HEC 1, Happy English Course 1. Yes, in Pare Village. Do you know that place, guys, or have you been there? If you have, bolehlah ya sharing your story in comment column below, okay? Because we are personally, never go there. So I'm so excited, I'm so interested to go there. I want to know the building, especially the system of our concept of English learning there. Because according to story of my friend who has taken course in there, he said that the place is so comfortable and the system, the concept of learning there is so effective, is so creative, so it make the English learning enjoy and funny too. So I'm hearing their story, it's make me more curious about there. I'm sure that you must also curious, right? Yes, of course, I'm sure. So don't worry, we can sit there together later, okay? So see you there, guys. Dadah! Okay guys, we have arrived on HEC 1, but before we entering, you have to check our temperature, so just follow our journey. Bye bye.
After arriving, we gathered in a hall to attend the opening ceremony that led by Ms. Wahyu. And after that, we were divided into several groups. In the class, we practiced learning used the method commonly applied in the learning process at HEC 1. The topic taken is about simple present tense and the method used is audio-lingual method.
Okay, the next destination is Green School, Bali. Green School is a private and international school for pre-kindergarten to high school. So what we will do next? Let's see later. Okay, now we have arrived at Green School, so let's follow our journey.
Green School was founded by John and Cynthia Hardy in 2006. This school can be said to be part of non-formal education that uses the concept of a natural school. Here, we are go around the school to see what is in the Green School, such as classrooms, place for student practice, laboratories, sport room, and etc.
Hi everyone, so right now we are going to watch Tari Barong, which is traditional dance from Bali. So let's go. Come on guys.
Let's go. Jadi kita
So we will visit the next destination, so stay tuned.
Hello guys, good morning. Now we get ready to have a breakfast and then we are going to the next our destination. There are IILF and
Andaman Beach.
Melasti Beach. So if you curious with our journey, let's follow us. Okay. Hello guys, okay, we arrived in IILF in front of hall of IILF and we are ready to learn more about English. Guys, IALF is Indonesian Australia Language Foundation that provides IELTS program for who want to study overseas, and it has many programs. So guys, now we are waiting for our turn for IALF seminar. Okay.
Stay tuned, guys.
This workshop was led by Mr. Mark. We learned about how to teach speaking skill and we did some activities. The first activities is role play. The second is guessing game. And the last was ranking.
After we have been a little dizzy, now it's time to relax on the beach.
Okay guys, so we have arrived at Pandawa Beach. So as you can see, a lot of people who came here to enjoy their holiday and enjoy the view here.
There are many people,
but not so
crowded.
crowded.
And it's so hot.
It's hot guys.
From this beach. Let's go.
We cycled around the beach for about 30 minutes with a rental fee of 50,000 rupiah.
So guys, we also visit another beach in Bali, and right now we are at Melasti Beach. Here we go.
Hello guys. So right now we are arriving at the beach. Let's look around. Let's look around.
As you can see, here in Kota Beach is so crowded.
So much fun.
Hi everyone, so we are arrived in our last destination, and here we are in
And there are
and we will show you the view of Tanah Lot Beach. Here we go.